So I have been watching this guy's video. I love his content so much because there are a lot of side hustles that he talks about that a lot of people are not really looking into it. God have answered my prayers because this side hustle is now available or is now possible right here in Nigeria. And this is something most of you don't like to do, or this is something that you will not like to do it. I want to show you how you can go about it in this particular video step by step. I share updates right here about different side hustles. You want to get content from me, like, share, subscribe, comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. Do want to join our community for more updates just like this from me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Mind you guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying after watching this video you start making thousands of dollars. So I'm passing an information based on my experience, and I believe you're going to learn a lot from this video. Now, what you do with that information is totally up to you. You can decide to work on the information, you can decide to sleep on the information, so the choice is actually yours. But I believe you're going to learn a lot. Just like any other side hustle, this side hustle requires some certain tools. So you need some tools for this to work out for you. The first thing you need is just your smartphone. So you need a working smartphone just like this one. It can be your Android or your iPhone, anyone is okay. You need your internet connection. That is fine. Another thing you need ChatGPT. Very important, because what we are about to do requires ChatGPT. Another thing you need Canva, or you need InShot, or you need Adobe Express. You need Facebook. Download and install ChatGPT. Click on the three lines right here. You're going to see where they say scheduling. You're going to see where they say scheduling. This is the tool we are going to be using today. I saw this tool from that particular guy inside one of his videos. He was talking about it, how he's using the tool, and it was so amazing. So when I checked my ChatGPT last week, I saw this tool inside. First thing we are going to be doing right here is for us to get a niche on Facebook, because if we don't get a niche, we are not going to know what to do. It can be about celebrity content, entertainment, sports, music. The first thing I'm going to recommend you do based on your niche, let me give you a very simple prompt. You can do it this way. You can do it this way if you want to, but if you don't want to do it this way, you can do it the other way. What is the other way? Just open the schedule and tell it what you want. I'm using this method so that the schedule can understand what I want. I'm just going to come here and paste in the prompt I got from ChatGPT. I'm going to click on enter. It's going to create a schedule for me, 12:50 p.m. starting today, because I want to start posting today. I updated the schedule to start today at exactly 12:50 p.m. then run every day at 12:50 p.m. This is 12:48. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to come back. Let's see if ChatGPT is going to give us our post starting from today. ChatGPT just notified me because this is exactly 12:50 that my post is ready. So let's go and confirm it. So I'm going to click on the post right here, and it brought me here, and you can see this is my number one post, image hook. This AI skill pays more than writing. Okay, that is beautiful. Facebook post, this is the post, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is for me to come here, copy this. So let me just copy the whole thing. Now this is number one. Now number two, I need an image, right? I need an image, and for me to get an image, I need something very beautiful. So for that to be possible, I'm going to come inside ChatGPT right here, give it one of my images, and ask it to refine the image for me and give me something much more professional, or in a professional setting right here. I came down to ChatGPT, I uploaded my image just like this, and I gave it a very simple prompt for an office image right here. So let's see what ChatGPT will generate for us. So let me just click on enter, and let's wait and see what ChatGPT will generate. Now once ChatGPT generate that particular image, I'm going to carry that image, go inside my Canva, and create a post right here. Remember, this is the first method that we are going to be using today. Now the second method, I'm also going to show you the second method that we're going to be using that you can use to create things like this. Remember, the main thing here is for ChatGPT to give you posts automatically every single day. Like I said earlier, based on your niche, this is amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and click on save right here. Canva is a photo editor app that you can use to edit your photo. So you can install the app, you can use free Canva, you can use pro Canva to do whatever you want to do. But if you can't use Canva, use InShot. I like InShot for my editing too. You can use InShot to do your editing. I'm going to come here, I'm going to import the photo that we got from ChatGPT. So this is the photo right here, and let me set the photo as the background. But the thing is that the photo is very dark. Let me set it as the background. It's so dark, and what I'm going to do is just for me to come here and try to increase the brightness of the photo, because it's just so dark and I don't like it. So let's increase the brightness. Let me increase the shadow. Okay, so you can see how clean and neat that is. So let me come here and I'm going to edit this text. So I had this text here for something else. Let me come here and paste in this text. So let me come here and make it bolder, because I want to make it bold. So you can decide to use your own font. I don't like this font. This font is not really good for this. We can change the font. This is how the post actually looks like. So you can decide to style part of the post. So let me click on this guy right here. So let's change the color. Let's give it a yellow color. You can see that. So this is how people do this. You can see. So I've changed it. These AI skills pay more than writing. So this is the first type right here. Okay, and I'm going to click on export. I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to come down here and download this. This is the first style right here, and the second style, where I'm going to show you how you can do the second style. Let's go and post this one on Facebook. Then I'm going to click on the post. I'm going to come here and import the image we just made right here, and I'm going to post in the text right here, and I'm going to click on post, and my post is actually loading, and I'm going to post this successfully on Facebook. Right guys, so you can see this is how it looks like on my Facebook page. You can see many people are still thinking AI means, you can see these AI skills pay more than writing. You can see how beautiful and how majestic this actually looks like. Now this is the first method right here. This is the first method, and the second method is for you to use, you can still use Canva, but the thing is that I have a template inside Adobe Express. Adobe Express is another photo editing app from Adobe that you can use it on mobile. So that's what I use personally. So I already have a template right here that I can use to make something like this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the template that I'm talking about. This is how the template look like. This is the second version of this. So you can come here and create this. Just import the black background right here and just choose your text, and that's it. So I've already made a video on how you can actually create this, and let me come here and remove this text right here, because I want to paste in the new text that we just copied from ChatGPT right here. So let me paste in the new text that we just copied from ChatGPT, and see how beautiful that is. I'm just going to come here and click on download. I'm just going to download this right here, and my photo is actually downloading. So this is the image, and I'm not going to post anything. I'm not going to type anything right here. I'm just going to click on next. I'm going to click on next, and I post it. Very simple. Now what I'm going to do right now is, after the team finish posting, remember that long post we copied inside ChatGPT, the long one here. So I'm going to put it in the comment section and pin it. Why? Because if you look here, this arrow is pointing that they should check the comment section. So I'm going to come here and put in that particular stuff right here. I'm going to post it. So if I post it here, and I'm just going to, after it finish posting, I'm just going to pin it right here in the comment section. You can see how long it is, and they'll come here and read it. Yes, Facebook pay you for images, they pay you for posting text, they pay you for posting text, pay you for posting images, pay you for posting videos, pay you for posting reels, they pay you bonuses. Okay, they pay you for stars, they pay you stars. Okay, and they pay you for stories. They have a lot of ways you can monetize on Facebook, content monetization. So Facebook actually pays. Yes, they pay. So that is why I'm talking about all these kind of side hustles, because Facebook actually pay. Tell me what you think in the comment section.